What's up, you guys? Speed Tech Reviews here, back in another video, and today we're talking about iPadOS 26 in the short and a preview to come. Now the iPad just might become just like a MacBook or even close to it. Let's talk about it. Now first we have the liquid glass design that you've seen on the preview, where it has a nice new clean setup, yada yada, that's similar to iOS, but I just want to cover that part and I'm not going to talk too much more about it, but it does have a nice little cool design. So there's the liquid glass, and that's the first thing that you'll notice in the new design change with iPadOS 26. One of the main things that stood out to me was we finally have an update to the Files app, and we finally have a background export to where when you're exporting videos from Final Cut, LumaFusion, DaVinci Resolve, or whatever video programs you may be using, or exporting audio using Logic or other audio programs on the iPad, we finally have the ability to export these videos and do other things in the background similar to a Mac, which is great because now you can use other apps while that's exporting the background, just like the MacBook. That's pretty cool. Next, we have the Preview app is finally coming to the iPad. Now the Preview app is where you could view PDFs and other different files on the Mac, and now you don't have to use Adobe or other third-party apps to mark up or write up on a PDF file. If you want to do signatures or just mark up on it and edit the PDF file, you can now do that in the Preview app. So that's another Mac-like experience or Mac app that's coming to the iPad, which is pretty exciting. Now, no more Stage Manager. There's no more Stage Manager. Now you get to multitask similar to the Mac, where you can open up different windows. So when you click on an app, it'll be full screen, but you do have the option now to control the different sizes of the windows. And we now get that red light, green light, yellow light bar at the very top left corner. And now we have a proper mouse cursor instead of a circle dot, which is pretty exciting. Couldn't stand the circle dot. And now you get to pretty much customize and multitask your windows similar to a Mac. So you get the red button for exiting, the yellow one for minimizing, and the green one for full sizing and making a smaller window. So that is a proper welcome. No more Stage Manager, because that was quite annoying. When I wanted to swipe back on Safari, sometimes it was bringing the whole Stage Manager tabs into the left side of the screen, so it prevented me from swiping left to close or go back in different web pages. So that's a much welcome change to iPadOS 26. Lastly, the phone app does come to the iPad now. In the comments what you think of the new upgrades and new features coming to iPadOS 26. Let's talk in the comments below. I'm pretty excited for this because now it gives me more reason to use my iPad Air 13-inch around just working about outside the house and using my MacBook M1 Pro and just docking and using it as if it was just a Mac desktop. So let's talk in the comments below. What do you think of this new update? Speed Tech Reviews. Thanks for watching. Peace.